Let me show you the easiest way to fix a slant pocket on your trousers. First, get a piece of fabric, fold into two. Make sure it's measuring 13 inches on both sides. Then you can go ahead and fold again into two. I had to iron this part a bit so that it is smooth and clean. So go on and fold again into two this time, and then get the front leg part of your trousers that you've already cut. If you don't know how to cut female trousers, I am going to leave a link on the screen and also in the description box for you to see. So place the front leg of your trouser on the pocket piece that you folded into four. Make sure that it is aligned, especially on the hip side, because it's going to be bigger. So make sure that it's covering the hip side and also the upper part. So for the rest of the sides, you're going to now trim so that it takes the shape of your side trouser seam. So trim, make sure that it's the same. That's the side of your trouser and your pocket pieces have the same exact shape. Now this is the first step. So after this, you are going to take this out. Take one of the trouser pieces out, then get the pocket pieces, take one out of it, and then place right sides together. Now you see that it is aligned both at the top and also on the side. That's the reason for trimming them together so that they're exactly the same. So after placing them right sides together, I like to mark on the trouser leg part of it. So I'm going to go in now and mark 2.5 inches. Then on the side, come down by 7 inches, and then using my ruler, I made a slant like so. Now you can go ahead and cut out this slant, but you can also leave it like that. I also left it like that in this place. So I just go to my sewing machine now and sew that part all the way down. I'm using the pins here to just show you what it looks like. So you're going to go sew that way all the way down. If you had cut out, it's the same thing. You just sew with 1/2 inch and then you turn back like so. So I'm going to go sew this now and then come and show you. In the meantime, if you are learning anything from this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also share this video with your friends that might need it. Thank you very much. So after sewing, this is it. I have sewn it down. You can see, you can trim that off or just leave it. And then you can also go ahead and top stitch. After sewing and turning to the wrong side, just make a tiny stitch on the pocket, and then the next thing will be to close the pocket bag. So fold it over like so and sew the down part tightly to close it. And you can also base the upper part for the meantime and also the side. And the next thing is just to get this and join it to your back trouser piece, and that is it. Simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.